Alright, you guys can bring the chairs back up here, please. Alright, everybody, hey. So we just took the pie pans out. Guys, you know, you can move that stuff over there and use those pussies. But anyway, I still got 3 more. And you didn't put any metal in there, did you?
No.
Okay. Because I've seen you try to put metal in the microwave before. And so in other words, Gracie and them are going to get this little bite to eat. I'll show you guys the pie pans here real quick. Let me switch this over here. Okay, so Gracie, Ava. So the first pies, don't worry about the crust. Those are just some small crust, and then the bigger crust. I do have a cinnamon glaze on. These are not ready yet, but I still got more in there. Okay. And the whole idea, we have to do the pie itself, separate. But bread dough, the reason why is you got to wait an hour the first time when we're doing it. What are you doing? Where'd you get? Where do you get cheese balls at? Wow. My daughter pulls stuff out of just literally pulls stuff out. So anyway, we're going to do the bread, but it takes an hour. I'm letting it rise a little bit longer, and then we're going to beat it back down. Then we got to cut it, put it in its individual things. So, and Gracie is now eating the lasagna that we made the other day. So, anyway, you know what's funny is she doesn't even know how to shut a door on a really? Wow.
We know how to eat, but we don't know how to do anything else.
I don't think I have to do that.
What else are we good for? Nothing. Okay.
Well, you're talking to everybody right now because that's on.
Oh, no. No. Well, we just exposed our secret. Dang it, Ava. Come on. Okay. Get it together.
Oh, my goodness.
And this together. Don't want my teachers to know how it works, but it's been
You are nuts.
6 years. Not even that anymore.
All right. So is it easy making bread, homemade, or does it take a little bit of work?
Better.
What about crust?
The last time.
Crust is kind of hard to make too, isn't it? Hey, no, this is live right now, guys. This is live. Do you guys think the crust is hard to make too? Or is it hard to beat, to pull it together?
Yeah, duh. I was over here dying.
Yeah. I was like just watching my friend die, and we're just like, why is this happening to her? It was really sad.
In my defense,
I could have helped this
I've
outcome,
done a lot watching my anime.
but watching her suffer and meaning that could be me,
Wow.
I just couldn't take it.
I don't even want to listen to you.
Okay, me being me, I've done a lot
We're
watching
scared
my
of you.
anime,
She's done a lot, like
drawing 3 pages of my
When my daughter makes
my
her friend do all the
diary.
work.
You ruined my food.
When my daughter makes her friend
And
do all the work.
And then going to
I just
do
couldn't
my
see my
stuff.
friend suffering.
And then I did that homework thing on the school website.
What?
I did my thingamabobber on school website. I tried to do Alex, but I got a knowledge check. Last time I did a knowledge check, though, I got
Orange juice goes this
I nailed 15 topics out of 20.
There goes work.
Thank you.
Gracie's trying to give you orange juice. I want to give you something that quenches thirst.
Hot.
All right, everybody.
Oh, I got something hot. Hot.
I'm going to pull those pies out here in just a second. Fill my water back up. You guys did a great job. I'm proud of you guys.
I don't know what I would do if I started
I'm proud of both of you.
suffering.
Hey, I'm proud of both of you. You guys done a good job. Now we just got to see if that bread will raise. That's one thing I'm worried about right now is that bread not raising.
Rising.
Oh my gosh, have you ever seen that one meme? It's
If it
just
doesn't
like,
raise
when
up,
I
I don't know what's going to
I
happen.
want the people in my group projects to lower me down so they can lower me down one last time.
Wow. Oh, let's see here.
Oh wait, this goes on my side.
I'll get a good photo. There we go.
I wasn't
Yay.
ready.
I wasn't asking if you're ready or not.
Well, you should have.
No. I don't want to ask if you're ready. Oh, you ready? Oh, you ready? Oh, you ready?
No.
What the heck was that?
What?
Who was that?
Who is who?
Which one was it? I can go back on the video and play it. I can figure out which one it was.
I'm confused. Wait, who did what?
Somebody farted.
No.
Somebody did a little gas experiment.
I was confused.
It was a gassy experience, wasn't it?
No, you were over there doing this weird thing, and I was confused
And I heard,
from the start.
and I heard. Oh no, I'm trying to see which one of these is better.
Gosh, like, did he actually just do that?
Yeah.
Gracie farted,
No, I didn't.
and I'm trying to be all.
I think it was actually her because.
No, it was not.
So it's so funny how friends will change and.
I haven't even eaten anything today.
Wow.
Sorry, but I know it was.
No, we didn't go by and get anything from Culver's or anything, right?
We didn't love food. I'm so happy we have food. Me too. Because I'm gonna eat the heck out of it when I
Wow.
when I
She's
get.
gonna eat the heck out of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the heck out of food. That's
All right.
it's like I already have it.
Okay, so
Have what?
yeah, you guys are losing viewers really quickly by just talking about nothing.
Okay, well then you're one.
Well, I'm sorry, we don't have much comedy left.
Nothing.
Oh my gosh,
Is that not a comedy level?
I'm looking back to Ava. But
My
wait.
question is, why did you put?
Okay, you are the interviewer. We are the talk people. Go on.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, like I should.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
I agree. You're the talkity talk people. All right, I'm turning off the live feed. It's in the laundry room right now. Ursula told me to put it in the laundry room. It is in the laundry room, and it is covered with towel. If they don't believe me, here, I gotta take them back here. See, it's in the laundry room. It's in a humid place. It's warm back here. See, it's all covered. There you go, Ursula. All right. All right, tell everybody we'll come back on later. I gotta get these other pies out.
On the laters.
Okay. Think the pies are burning. I gotta
Stop.
get them
We're too big of a bite.
out. Oh, I don't want to burn them. Okay, that's why I wanted the fan on.
Fan is on.
I know. I said I wanted it on. The cinnamon and sugar is melting into the pie.
Is that good?
Yep. But you gotta be careful how much. Otherwise it turns
What kind of
bad.
pie are we making?
Smell.
These will be, no. These are actually, this is all done. Actually, I may put this one in for a couple more minutes. Alright. That one will go there. I'm gonna put those back in for a few more minutes. Alright, pies are back in for a few more minutes. And then we'll make the other part of it. Alright. Alright, so the other pies came back. Sorry, a little burn in there, but that's actually not burnt, that's the sugar. We don't keep secrets in this house.